Hassan is in Leatherhead. Hassan, good evening.
Hi, Daniel. Hi, Daniel. This is Hassan here. Good evening.
How can I help you, Hassan?
Basically, quite recently, I got my motorbike stolen from my driveway. The reason for it meant to be in the garage. But on that occasion, I could not put it in the garage because I was traveling. I could not come back.
Sorry, you were travelling where?
I was travelling abroad.
So why hadn't you left it in the garage before you left to go overseas?
I thought I'm going to be back in the evening, which is I could not make it.
Understood.
So I was delayed, basically.
Yeah.
The insurance company is still saying that, no, I mean, it should be in the garage. You put it outside. But it was in my property with lots of chain, tracker, everything, name it, on it.
So the insurance company is refusing to pay out, and you want to know
Correct.
if you can compel the insurance company to pay.
Correct.
Right. So if you fail to comply with the terms of the insurance policy,
Yeah.
do you think the insurance policy should be obliged to pay?
I didn't understand. I mean, can you repeat that?
Yeah. If the insurance policy said something like, don't put the motorbike on the pavement with the keys in the ignition and a big sign saying, please steal me. If the insurance policy says you mustn't do that, but you do you think the insurance policy should have to pay out?
Yes, because...
Really, Hassan?
The thing was, I was thinking I'm going to be back. And
Hassan, did you hear the question I asked you?
Yes.
Okay, so in those circumstances, I've exaggerated it deliberately for the purpose of
Sure.
debate.
Sure.
You leave your motorbike on the pavement with the keys in the ignition and a big sign saying, please steal me. Your insurance policy says we won't pay out if you leave the motorcycle on the pavement with a sign saying, please steal me, and the keys in the ignition. If someone steals that motorbike, do you think the insurance company should have to pay you? Right.
No.
So now let's dial it down a little bit. The insurance policy says you must leave your motorbike in a locked garage. You don't leave it in a locked garage. Do you think the insurance company should have to pay out?
No, but they shouldn't, yes. I mean, this is legitimate, it should be. But in a circumstance that I could not put it in the garage, I was delayed to do it.
Right. So I mean, I am actually being a bit mean to you, Hassan. Technically, the insurance company is not obliged to pay out. However, there is a small chance, I'd say 20%, 30%, there is a small chance that the insurance ombudsman might say, well, although they're not legally obliged to pay you out, and it's not surprising they've said we're not paying you out, we think it's fair that they do. Now, certainly less than a 50% chance, but it's worth trying the insurance ombudsman. So I would wait till either 8 weeks have elapsed since the insurance company said no, or ask the insurance company for what's called a deadlock letter, which you need to go to the ombudsman, and then take it to the ombudsman. You'll probably lose, but it's not completely hopeless, Hassan.